on YouTube? It's Vinny here. Today I'm going to show you guys my new lawnmower and how to install a hour meter on it. Alright guys, so we're back. It's been a while. A lot has changed in my life. I'm going to introduce you guys to my new toy. Kind of a toy, kind of a workhorse at the same time. This is my new lawnmower. It's a Toro TimeCutter. The model number is 75755. So this is my new lawnmower. It's a Toro TimeCutter 75755. Just got it, and I wanted to install an hour meter that they don't ship these with. They normally will charge you $80 or so to install one of these, but you can also pick them up on Amazon for like 20 bucks. So that's what I did. I'm going to show you guys how to install it real quick, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut my grass for the first time. Link will be in the description for this, so just check that out if you want one. Alright, so this install is pretty straightforward. You're going to have a screw right here. I'm going to take that off. I'm going to put it in the cup holder so we don't lose it. And then we're going to flip the seat up. The seat should lock in place. And just here's a good look at the hour meter itself. Has some prongs on the back. So what you're going to do is you're going to pop this panel out. There's these two little tabs here. Once the screw's out, it should just lift up. And there's a harness that's actually taped to the main harness. It's a mini harness that has the connection for the hour meter. They come shipped with it, and it's your choice whether or not you buy the package that comes with it or not. I chose not to because I realized that the hour meter, you can get on Amazon for less than 20 bucks and install it yourself. So I'm just gonna untape this. This little plug right here was taped to the main harness with this tape right here. And it's gonna plug in basically like that. So it's gonna plug in like that. But first, what you have to do is, you see on the bottom of this panel, there's a white cutout right here. So you're gonna get a knife and we're gonna cut that off. All right, I just want to give you guys a better angle. So the harness, once you pull that cover off, the harness is taped down like this. So I took the tape off. You'll have a little 2-prong plug, and that's ready to go. Then you look at the bottom of the cover, and there's this cutout hole, which on the other side is just blank. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it from the bottom to make sure we get a nice flush cut. All right, take out your knife. And I'm gonna start in the corner. Straight down. All right, one part of it. You just want to make it look pretty. Turn it down. Alright. From what I've read, the hour meter fits in there pretty snugly, so make sure you get it in there the right orientation that you want it. In my case, when I'm sitting in the seat, I want to be able to read it, so it's going to go in that way. So if I flip the cover over, you can see how it says hours. I'm going to face it inwards so I can view it while I'm sitting down. All right, so I'm gonna recommend you slide this back in its slot when you go to push this in, because you're gonna have to put some pressure getting it in there. So what I did was I got that first corner started right there, and then the other corner just popped in. And then push it down flush like that. And boom. That's pretty much all there is to it. And then all you have to do is pick your panel back out and plug it in. I'll run the wire over there and plug it in. Just like so. And you're gonna notice there's that bottom prong that's not actually used. So yeah, once you plug it in, you're all set to go. So I'm gonna put the panel back in. And that's it. She's ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed that quick installation video of an hour meter on my brand new Toro TimeCutter lawnmower. Again, links will be in the description if you guys are looking for one, and I'll probably do a couple reviews on the lawnmower itself after I get done cutting this humongous lawn. We're actually at my new house, so we ended up getting a lot of land, so I'm gonna be cutting a lot of grass. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and see you guys in the next one. Later.